My name is Fiona Duller, and my role in Conwy Deaf Translation Support Service is I'm a committee member, and I'm here to support deaf people who are facing barriers when it comes to correspondence or making phone calls. Any letters they may receive that they don't understand, they bring here and have translated. Conwy Social Services used to pay for a translation service, and then that was withdrawn, it was stopped. So deaf people were in a bit of a panic actually, because receiving letters, for example, any PIP forms that needed to be completed, which are quite in depth, they wouldn't understand. So it was really unnerving, you know, and it's so important. Deaf people need a translation service. So some deaf people got together and we decided that we would work together with social services to see what we could do about the lack of service. So they suggested about us maybe setting up our own service, which we decided was a good idea, and we contacted the cooperative via email. They've helped us to create our constitution. At the moment, deaf people within the UK, 40% of deaf people have a mental health issue. When a deaf client has come and used the translation service, I've observed that when they've arrived, they've been quite sad, quite worried, and once they've come out of having that translation service, that, you know, they're much more happy, smiling. I think in the future we would like to develop our CDTSS, maybe take on our own staff, maybe having access to iPads and computers. I'm so proud of having this service, and I think that deaf people should and do access it, because it solves all of your problems. I sleep wonderful now, it's great.